everyone and welcome to this speed build of my Sims 4 home. I decided to make a 8 sim starter home. So when you go into create a sim and you make your 8 sims, or you download them from the gallery, whichever you do, and then you select a lot, Sims will automatically give you a budget. The budget's around 35,000 simoleons depending on the lot size that you've got. So I thought it would be a brilliant idea to try and make a starter home within that budget for all of these Sims. Now, this family is 2 adults, 2 teens, a child, a toddler, and 2 dogs. I don't know what I was thinking, to be honest. I really don't. I got quite stressed at this. But here we are. I decided to do a split platform as well. So the lower section is, or will be, my kitchen, dining, living area, and then up the stair we have the bedrooms and the bathroom. Now, a lot of this build is done via the debug option or menu. If you don't know what the debug menu is, you need 2 cheats. So if you Control C on your keypad, and then there's a little white bar that comes up across the top, and you enter the cheat bb.showhiddenobjects, and then another one is bb.showliveeditobjects. I will leave those in the description below, and then you'll be able to search for the debug menu, and it gives you a lot of hidden gems, which is how I managed to do most of this. So here I am just trying to work out my layout. Did I want it up on a platform? Did I want, how did I want this basically? I love the bay window. I love landscaping bay windows. I think they look really cool. And the little trellis is just the small fences. Unfortunately, this lot is pack heavy. I think I used pretty much all of the packs I own. I personally don't own every single pack that the Sims have, but I do own all the expansion packs and a couple of the game and stuff packs. I did try and make it base game, and then I realised that that wasn't going to work. Someone could probably do it, but that someone was not me. The little trellises are from, I say trellises, they're not, I've obviously created those. They're from Eco Living, along with the flowers. The hanging baskets are sized up from, what are they? They're Tiny Living is the pack they come from. And these are all build by items. Nothing I'm using at the moment is debug. So I thought I'd start with a teen girl room. This build definitely didn't turn out with as much detail as I wanted it to. I got about halfway through, then realised that I was quickly running out of money. What I might do is go back and redesign it, redecorate it without a budget, and then I can make it sort of the way that I actually wanted it. The bunk beds are from the where are they? They're from the new home decor pack. So moving on to the kitchen. I'm actually really gutted because I love this kitchen, and then I realised it wasn't actually going to work. So this is the kitchen from Parenthood. I'd never used this kitchen, and I don't know why. I'm going to have to use it in some of my other builds. So I went for a nice blue kitchen. I originally used that door and window from Get Famous. and then later on in the build I realised that they were way too expensive, so I went and changed them. The windows and the front door for the rest of the property are from the fitness pack, and they are only 30 similes each, which is really cheap for windows. So again, I used those Get Famous windows and then went, nope, too expensive. I decided to go for a yellow living room because I love the new swatches from the new home decorator pack. I think they're gorgeous. That yellow wallpaper's from that pack as well. The curtains are from Dine Out. This is where I suddenly realised how quickly my money was depleting. I've got just under 10,000 similes left and I still have so many rooms to decorate. I really like that yellow glass, and then I realised it was too expensive, so I had to change it. The sectional sofas are from the new interior design pack. I love them. And this rug, I actually really wish they put one in base game. It's from Snowy Escapes. It's just so nice. And this is where I started to panic because I realised I still needed to put a TV in, and I really wanted to get a computer in as well. And I didn't have the money for it. So I am deleting my lovely kitchen and trying to make it a little bit cheaper. If you can hear that, I do apologise. That is my laptop. It sometimes has a fit. I mean, I am trying to run multiple programs at the moment. And then I realised as well that we needed beds for the dog, or dogs. I used the TV stand from Tiny Living, mainly because obviously it had a TV in it and a stereo, and that was sort of the cheaper way of me doing it. Again, I was trying to make the bathroom look nice with like half walls and stuff, and then realised that I couldn't afford it. So the bathroom is extremely basic. This is the toddler and child bedroom they share. Again, I'm using those Dine Out curtains. I just think they look so good. I really wanted that play tent and then realised it was too expensive. That playhouse there is from Eco Living. It's the cheapest one that there is. And then this is my master bedroom. It will have a half bathroom ensuite. It's a toilet and a sink. This bedroom did not turn out the way I wanted it to. As you can see, I don't have much money. And in the back of my mind, I'm also thinking I need to landscape this and do the back garden. So yeah, it didn't turn out quite the way I wanted it to. It's hard to remember as well that when you're doing starter homes, that's exactly what they are. They are starter homes. You know, it's really difficult to build, or I find it is anyway, really difficult to build lovely houses with all the bells and whistles on such tight budgets, because everything in The Sims is so expensive. Like even walls. Here you'll see me moving my kitchen because I realised I had some empty space, so I've shrunken the property to get back some money from the walls, because like I say, walls are expensive. And then obviously I changed the back door and the kitchen window as well to the fitness ones, because they're just so much cheaper. And then I realised I could shrink it a little bit more and gain a little bit more money. So yeah, my lovely kitchen wasn't so lovely in the end, unfortunately. I'm definitely going to have to use that Parenthood kitchen in another build. I don't know why I don't normally use it. I really wasn't happy with this master bedroom, so I kept playing with it, trying to work out if I could make it better. Here I'm using the slats from Eco Living, but realised that they were just too expensive. And you can see just how little money I have. I've done builds, like starter homes for 2 Sims. I think I've done a couple, and I've done 1, maybe 2 for like a family of 4, and I definitely found this one the hardest. So here I am in the debug menu, my lifesaver, because everything in the debug menu is free. It doesn't cost you anything. So all these plants, all these little extra bits are all free. So it means I can actually make the garden look semi-decent. Also, the debug menu is not custom content or a mod. It comes with base game, and then if you have any additional packs, there's more debug items depending on the packs you have. I love the little planters as well. I think they're so nice. All those bushes to outline my garden. Oh, lovely and free. I'm not a fan of building in Oasis Springs. Currently, my project is to turn Oasis Springs modern. So I've done a couple of builds already. This obviously will tie in with that. But landscaping to fit it in with the surrounding areas is actually really difficult. And here I am just looking for something to use to make a border for that flower bed that I have just made. And in the end, I found a really small rock that I could just size up and down to make the border. Also, if you can, try and use the paint, because that's all free as well. So now we move on to me decorating these lovely flower beds. Again, all of these are all debug items, so they are not costing me a thing. If you have time, like if you can find the time to go through the debug menu and look at everything, I would strongly recommend you do that. Like all these flower pots, they're all free. You can pay for them in the game themselves, the same as the lights, you can pay for them. But especially if you're trying to make a nice build on a budget, why would you pay for them if you didn't have to? I don't know if you can see, but in the corner of the pictures of this debug menu, it does tell you what packs these items come from. I had to go with this tree just because it had lights on it, which I thought was really pretty. And then I found this little arch thing that was free, and actually decided to put it above the bed to make the bedroom in the house a little bit nicer. Again, these plants are free and they just add something. I don't like to clutter too much, but I also really don't like a bare house. Like some people that I watch on YouTube, and when people post to like the Facebook groups, some people are absolutely amazing at cluttering. Also, for anyone that doesn't know, to size up and size down objects, use the brackets on your keyboard or keypad. I do apologise, like I say, to console players, because I don't play on a console, so I have no idea how you do any of this on a console. Me just trying to find a plant to sit at the bottom of those palm trees. I couldn't find one that I liked. I settled on these flowers eventually. Again, like I say, building in Oasis Springs is really difficult. A, because of the lighting, and B, because of the desert itself. I also found a oven in debug, and I wasn't sure if it would actually work, so I thought I'd take it out and then I could test it. I was toying with putting swings in the garden or a climbing frame. Now, technically you earn skills, or children earn skills from the monkey bars, but they are a lot more expensive. So I'm just trying to work out if I can get back some money. And then I play tested the oven, and as you can see, it didn't work. So yeah, I sold some cabinets, and then I bought the swing set. I really did try to get something else, but you know, you do need to remember that this is a starter home. This is where a family will start off. As soon as they start earning some money, then you'll be able to get some more stuff. But I really wanted to try and put in as much as I could. Like, they've got a computer, they've got a TV, they've got some skill building items. It doesn't look that bare, which I really enjoyed. Like, considering I have no money, they actually have a pretty decent garden. So yeah. I then changed the flowers on the front because I paid for them, and then realised I could get them in debug. So I sold them because they're like £100 similes each. So that brings us to the end of this speed build. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have maybe learnt something as well. And I hope you like the house. It is on the gallery. My gallery ID is hanboo93, which is this channel's name. So yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you all soon. Bye!